This video is for entertainment purposes only. I have to say that. Now, the reason why I am not changing the narrative, but I'm giving us a different point of view of the narrative is because, man, the point of view that I am giving you is going to make us realize that we are all one big earthling family. This earth is our mother. This earth gave birth to all of us, and we are here to protect it. Now, only someone who was born outside of the natural creation process would be game for destroying this place. They would be game to they are game to pollute the waters. They are game to drain the oil or the blood of this planet. They are game to dig up the Earth's organs. When you're dealing with the clusters of diamonds, the clusters of rubies, the clusters of emeralds that they find, the clusters of gold and silver, when you deal with those different clusters and gold, of those different minerals, when you deal with those different minerals, you're dealing with the different organs of this planet. And they have their own different frequency, which helps the planet in return. But when you dig these things out of the planet, you are destroying the planet. So it is important that we take a different look at the narrative that was given onto us, because the renegade minions of the custodians, they gave us a narrative that makes it appear that they are the conquerors and that they are the most important, or they are the most powerful ones. It makes them be able to look upon us and be like, well, we are responsible for placing you over here, and then placing you over there. And that is simply not true. Like I said before, we were on this earth before someone started labeling the land. We were all just one people. We may have looked a little bit different, but nevertheless, we were all one people. This earth is our mother, man. The same process that you came through as through your mother is the same thing that happened with Mother Earth. Correspondence, as above, so below. What happened within happens without. What happens on a large scale happens on a small scale. And see, this really explains, like I said, this explains why all the so-called images of the original people somewhat look the same. We have to change. You are not an African. You are not an Israeli. You are not an American. You are an Earthling. Someone who didn't mean us any good and labeled these places these names. That was their ego that named these places. But you was here before these places had names. You were here before there was a spoken language. I'm trying to give you your greatness back. But anyway, this is your man, L. Judge. Peace and blessings. I'm out.